2020 Dodge Charger. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.